Do you remember me teaching you all this last year?
Yes.
Probably not, right?
No, teacher.
The rest of you, Haris, do you remember this, Haris?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay, so I will just do the anion test, okay? It is the Guru Chemalang from one of the MRSM schools. She's the one who taught us this. She came to our school, she gave a talk in 2017. So she was teaching the 2017 students this concept. This is an easy way to memorize. So Cikgu Tana and me, we pick this up and we teach the students every year. Okay, Arif, you can start recording now. All right. Okay, so this is your anion test. Okay, and you want to test for nitrate, chloride, sulfate, and carbonate. Okay, now in order for us to do the anion test, okay, so let's say teacher I want to test for nitrate. Okay, so what I do is I close nitrate and I look what is below nitrate. Now below nitrate is sulfate, correct or not?
Yes.
Okay, good. So what do? The steps are very simple. Okay, for a sulfate solution, for a nitrate, I want to test for a nitrate ion. I use sulfuric acid plus iron to sulfate. Okay, can you all see what teacher is saying here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, and then only for a nitrate is very special. And then I add on a concentrated sulfuric acid. I repeat what teacher is saying. I repeat what I'm saying, okay? If I want to test for a nitrate, I am going to first add my H plus is here, it's telling me it's an acid. So I'm going to add sulfuric acid plus iron to sulfate and a concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, and what will I get? What is my product when I test for a nitrate?
Brown
I am
ring.
going to get a
Brown ring.
very good. I'm going to get a brown ring. Do you get what teacher is saying?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so what do I add first to test for a nitrate?
Sulfuric acid.
Sulfuric acid, and then I add
Iron
iron to
sulfate.
sulfate, and then only for nitrate is special. I carry on by adding a third one. I add concentrated sulfuric acid. I will get a brown ring.
Brown ring.
Okay, now I drew the triangle, and then for here, the way I want you to remember is I want you to remember FAB. Okay, I forgot to mention that. Remember FAB, F-A-B. Sometimes my students are before this, are not for the recent years, my students always forget things and everything. I'll tell them, go and take out your brains, wash your brains with FAB. And then put your brains back, okay? So I won't say to your life, your brains are all functioning. Okay. Okay, this one, how to memorize it? Saya nak kahwin suami comel. Okay, just a way to memorize it. Saya, not me lah. Anyone whose name starts with S here in your class?
Surya.
Sehab.
Okay, after you choose Surya or Sehab nak kahwin suami comel. Okay, so whichever way you want to memorize it, it doesn't matter, okay? Right, so I've done for nitrate. Can I go on now? I want to test for chloride. Can teacher go on?
Yes.
Okay, so I want to test for chloride. I close chloride and I look at the bottom of chloride. Okay, what is at the bottom of chloride? Nitrate, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, so what must I add? I must add nitric acid, correct or not?
Yes.
And then I must add what?
Silver nitrate.
Silver nitrate.
Nitrate.
Okay, I add nitric acid and silver nitrate. I am going to get a white precipitate. Do you get that?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, we are down to 10 minutes. Right, okay, now carry on, moving forward. Okay, if I want to test for chloride, I close, right. If I want to test for sulfate, I close sulfate and I look at the bottom of it. Okay, what is this? HCl, what is it?
Hydrochloric.
Hydrochloric
Okay, so I add
acid.
hydrochloric acid and then I'm going to add
Barium
barium
chloride.
Barium chloride.
chloride, I am going to get another white precipitate. You following so far what teacher is saying here?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. And then I want to test for my carbonate here. This is a carbonate. This is the question that Bhuvanesh asked yesterday, okay? Okay, I want to test for a carbonate. Okay, so I close the carbonate and I look at the bottom of it. I only have one thing. Okay, I'm only adding what? An acid, correct or not?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm adding sulfuric acid. It can be any acid actually, but I'm adding sulfuric acid. And what am I going to get, class?
Must add with lime water, then it will turn chalky.
Okay, so we actually your lime water will turn chalky. Okay. Here your lime water will turn chalky, or you can actually say gas bubbles are produced lah, because carbon dioxide is being released. Now, do you understand how to do this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so let's do this one more time as a refresher, then I'll let y'all go. If I want to test for nitrate, I close nitrate. What do I add?
Sulfuric
Sulfuric
acid.
acid.
Very good.
Iron 2 sulfate.
Plus
Iron
iron
2
sulfate.
sulfate.
Iron 2 sulfate, very good. And the last thing,
Concentrated
hydrochloric
sulfuric acid.
sulfuric acid, sorry.
concentrated sulfuric acid, very good. And what is my product here?
Brown ring.
Brown ring.
Very good, brown ring. Okay, now I want to test for chloride. I close chloride. What do I add?
Nitric acid.
Nitric acid, very good. And the other thing?
Then silver
Silver
nitrate.
nitrate.
Silver nitrate, excellent. And what do I get?
White
White
precipitate.
precipitate.
A white precipitate, excellent. Okay, I want to test for my sulfate. I close sulfate. What do I add?
Hydrochloric
Hydrochloric
acid.
acid.
Good job. And then after that I add
Barium
Barium
chloride.
chloride.
barium chloride. And what do I get?
White
White
precipitate.
precipitate.
A white precipitate. And the last bit, okay, is when I want to test for my carbonate. What do I add?
Any acid.
Sulfuric acid or any
Sulfuric
acid.
acid or any diluted acid actually. Okay, what do I get? My lime water will
Water chalky.
chalky. Okay, Arif, you can actually stop the video. Okay, so that's all for today's class.